You're gonna wrap around it. You're gonna go around this way, okay? And then this pulley, you're gonna go straight up, and you're gonna go around that, and you're gonna go straight down. And then you're gonna go straight up to the alternator, okay? From this pulley, go all the way up onto the alternator. I hope this helps. This is a part number that I got. I hope this video helps. Like I said, I could not find anything on YouTube, so I'm making this video to help you guys out. Peace.